हे एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज का वीडियो हिस्ट्री के ऊपर है। आप हिस्ट्री कैसे रिवाइज करेंगे, हाउ टू रिवाइज फॉर हिस्ट्री। देखिए, आई अंडरस्टैंड एंड आई नो दैट कि द चैप्टर्स इन हिस्ट्री आर वेरी वेरी लेंदी एंड हिस्ट्री के चैप्टर्स को देख के ऐसा लगता है कि वो ख़त्म ही नहीं होता है। येस, आई हैव फेल्ट दैट, लाइक यू टर्न द पेज, ओके इट्स नॉट फिनिश, तो एंड टू द चैप्टर्स। ओके, आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट। बट आप कैसे हिस्ट्री को जल्दी जल्दी रिवाइज करिए ताकि आपको याद भी रहे, बिकॉज यू हैव टू रिमेंबर स्टफ्स, सो यू रिमेंबर एज वेल एंड यू कैन डू इट फास्ट। ओके, so first, and something that I mentioned at the beginning of the year as well, when I made a video on how to study history, that time I said कि you can make your own short notes, because history के लिए ये बहुत ज़्यादा काम आते हैं, especially if you have to revise quickly. आप क्या कर सकते हैं, आप like every topic which is important, उस topic का आप छोटा छोटा notes like points kind of, you can take out important points from that topic and you can highlight it. You can either make separate notes or you can just highlight it at the side of your text. So those notes are what you can refer to revise, because आपको पूरा उतना बड़ा बड़ा पैराग्राफ्स पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है। आप what you can do is you can just see those points that you have written and you can try to recall if you remember or not. Okay, अगर आपने नोट्स नहीं बनाया है, like खुद का नोट्स नहीं बनाया है, then what you can do is you can get notes online. There are many YouTubers who will give you notes, but one that I would recommend would be the Twin Bros. Their notes is genuine. They have free version as well and they have premium version as well. You can use any of them. But again, अगर आप अभी आपको लगता है कि आप खुद का notes बना सकते हैं, because now the time is a little bit less, but अगर आपको लगता है कि आप कर सकते हैं, then it would be best if you can make your own notes. आप important points देखेंगे, like any chapter, all the important topics you will see, and you will try to make short notes, in the sense you will write only the main points either at the side of your text. You will highlight that, so whenever you come back to the chapter, you will look at what you have written at the side of your text and you will try to remember ki what does this mean, or what can I write by remembering this. Okay, so this can help you. Or number two, what will help you is rapid revision videos. Again, I would say the Twin Bros Humanities, they have rapid revision videos on YouTube, and I would say that's the best video for revision of history. You can, like, I literally used all of them for revising. When you watch those videos, you will start remembering things. You will not even notice, but you will remember. So it's बहुत ही easy तरीका है कुछ याद करने का, वो videos देखने के बाद आपको जो, and they have highlighted all the important points. So that will help you remember everything that is important. Okay. Number three, MCQ practice. You can try practicing MCQs either from your reference books, workbooks, or you can use, again, there are MCQ videos of the Twin Bros Humanities. I'm not promoting their channel. I'm not getting paid by them, but I'm just saying because it is helpful. I was completely dependent on them for my history and it really helped. So you can use their videos. आप उनके videos use कर सकते हैं history MCQ practice के लिए. You can search, MCQ videos history, and you will get their videos, and when you listen to them, that time you will start remembering the correct answers, and that will help you get that 20 marks that is there for MCQ. Okay. Number four, that would be read PYQs. Now previous year questions में आपको जो important है especially वो मिल जाएंगे. like the chapter, एक हिस्ट्री के चैप्टर में इतना सारे चीज़ें होते हैं, बट आप तो सब हर चीज़ नहीं याद रख सकते ना, तो कुछ कुछ ऐसा चीज़ें होता है जो हर साल रिपीट होता ही है. सो हिस्ट्री के लिए PYQs बिकम वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो आपको वो PYQs आपकी बुक में मार्क कर लेना है कि ये पार्ट है इस चैप्टर से जो आने का पॉसिबिलिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है. सो आई विल रिमेंबर दिस. ओके, सो रीड थ्रू PYQs, go through MCQ videos, go through rapid revision videos, and if you have made notes, short notes, you can go through them as well. But if you have not made notes right now at this point of time, I will suggest you can get notes from someone else. That would help you to revise quickly. So these are the ways through which you can revise for history. Right now it is important that you remember everything, because there are so many details in history. You have to remember dates, you have to remember names of places, you have to remember names of archaeologists, so there's a lot of work. But don't worry, आपको सब याद हो जाएगा if you keep on doing it again and again. Okay, so this is how you will revise for history. If you have any other doubt, you can let me know in the comments. I hope this video helps, and good luck with your studies.